Right. So are we ready to pack our bags and see where this is going? Let's get our bag packed. I think Anu has taken us on this route. She's shown us what it can do, what habits can entail for us, and what the sessions are going to be. There is a lot that's there. And then I was a little overwhelmed myself when, you were like, oh God, there are too many things that are happening in those sessions. So let's look at this journey. Let's pack our bags and see where we go off to. What's in it for you, right? So we have the first thing, as Anu mentioned, it's going to be a live training with her, and she herself is a certified practitioner of Tiny Habits. We're going to have 2 sessions with her on that, getting through all the concepts that have been taught, and we will experiment with those and we will try and imbibe those in our lives. But then, have you noticed, most of us have attended sessions, have, tried to start something new, try to start a new habit, try to change something. What happens after you go back from your research? And this is not me. Research says 98% people will do nothing. You will do nothing after those 2 sessions also, because you have to take that action to do it. And just those 2 sessions may not still get you going. And so we are going to give you toolkits. We are going to empower you with everything that you need on this journey to kind of make those changes, make those habits that you want for yourself, right? That is not it yet. We are also going to give you a personalized journal wherein we will, with the various things that are going to be asked to be done in forms of exercises for you, we're going to ask you to pen paper down certain things which are leading to habit formation and otherwise triggers a lot of other concepts. Again, why this is pen and paper? This is again research backed. What you type versus what you write has a very different impact in your brain. Writers who write, authors who write will never type in most cases. They will use a pen and paper to write, and there is a reason for that. And that is why you will get your personalized journal along with the whole thing. Like I said, we do not want to leave any stone unturned. We want to empower you with everything so that you do not go back from those sessions and still not implement anything. That's not really what we're looking at. So this is this is what you will get. But, a while back, Anu just said that rewards are really, really important. So this is what the program has, but what is the reward here? So yes, we do have a reward in the form of a bonus. And that is a session on group coaching. We will come back after our 2 sessions are done in a group coaching call over Zoom, and we will understand where we have transpired in this journey, are we still at the start, what are the challenges we are facing, what is it that we can do better, what are we excellent at that we can share and help others who are there with us on this path. So we are going to have these group coaching sessions, and we will have that after 30 days, right? Which is fair enough time for you to have really attended those 2 sessions and implemented things and walked the path. So we will have that for you. But that is still not it, because we feel that you may still need that push, that connect to keep you going. Because like I said, if we hold your hand, we don't want to leave it till the time you really make those changes for yourself. So it doesn't end here, and we will have a 60-day coaching session too. So we're going to have the second coaching call again with the group and do a follow-up with how the journey has been. Again, the same structure. And if you thought this was it, still isn't, okay? Because we will continue that, and we will also have a coaching session post 90 days. So like I said at the start, if you are on here, if you are serious about making the change in your life, we will ensure no stone unturned. But you have to take that action. Whatever is done, taught, nothing will change, nothing at all will change till the time you take action. Everything is determined by only that single word. This is it, guys. This is what the program will entail if you are wanting to take the journey on. Coming to what it entails when it comes to the program fees. When we've been doing this in classroom, the price for the program has been INR 5,000, right? But unfortunately, because of the situation we are in, we are not in a state of classroom sessions anymore. So we consider that, okay? And what we have as an online session price for this whole bundle, this huge bundle of things that you are getting, the 2 sessions, your toolkits, your journals, your 3 group coaching calls, your accountability buddies, everything at an online session price, which is 3,599, right? Now, you know, when this was the pricing that got decided, and you know, we were here it, and then we had a lot of research which came up that, you know, people today are, you know, having the corona impact. A lot of people have been impacted in some way or the other, be it an employee, be it business people, everybody has had some kind of an impact because of it, right? So considering that, and at the same time also realizing, being in the learning and development space, that these are the times, you know, when you really need to make those changes in your lives that really take you to the next level, okay? And simply because of that, this is what the price of the program. This is the price of the program, which is 1,999, which is what you pay for the sessions, for this entire bundle, to say so, okay? And coming back to rewards, you know, we spoke so much about rewards, right? I'll tell you a very brief number. You know, when we were out with these sessions on social media, we were there on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Facebook, thousands of people saw the session, but we had only a few hundreds who actually registered. We had a few hundreds who actually registered, and eventually we have just a few of you, or rather, you know, some 50, 60 of you who were here when the call started. So you guys are the action takers. You know, it's very easy to just do things and not take action. Like, that's what I said. Everything will happen only if you take action. So just as a reward for you who are here today and have taken that first step, this is your reward, wherein you will not pay 1,999 and you will pay only 1,599. This is it, guys. There is no more beyond this. This is what you eventually pay. We are going to be live with these sessions in our social media in the next 30 minutes, and you will see the price of those sessions as 1,999 everywhere, every channel. We are not going to be up with this price at all. This is only for you because you are here right now on this call with us, and because you have taken that action, and we believe in rewarding you for it.